Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I know you've seen this look already because I just uploaded the full face using ColourPop, but in today's video I'm just gonna do like a kind of like not really a review but trying on this new lip tint. I know I showed you guys already. I already showed you guys this lip tint in my previous vlogs, and then I told you guys that I'm gonna do another whole video just dedicating for this lip tint, and I want to show it to you guys. So yeah, I already have, you know, my face is already beat to the gauze. Yeah, we're just gonna try this lip tint, and this is from the brand Para. And I'm really excited about this. I got 5 lip tints actually. Then this one right here is I've been using. I think I mentioned it to my to my vlog that I've been using this one right here, and this is in the shade Strawberry Juice. And I'm also gonna give you guys like a swatch. So let's start with this two right here, which is this is the Glimpse Brick Brown and the Girlish Red. So. And this is their Airy Ink Velvet. So we're gonna start. I really like the packaging. And then, oh my goodness, you guys, look at this tiny thing. It's so cute. So I got my wipes here just in case. So I need to kind of like, ooh, let me see if I got a mirror. Got my mirror right here. So I'm gonna, ooh, so. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells so freaking good. All right, so I'm gonna put this in my lips. I'm just gonna give you guys a swatch first. Ooh, she's very red right there. She's very bright red. And let me just put this in my lips. It really is very velvety. So you see? Okay. It's giving me very like very like strong red, as you guys see the swatch, and I really like the feeling in my lips right here. So far so freaking good. So this is the shade Girlish Red right here. Actually, just a look too. Yeah, so I really like this too. And the formula is very, like I said, it says in itself velvet. That's true. The feeling of the lips is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you're really wearing like, you know, like something in your lip. It's very lightweight. And then plus the smell, it smells so freaking good. I'm gonna give them that. And then the packaging, cute. I like this kind of like thing, but you can't like squeeze them. But yeah, and I'm gonna link down below. I'm gonna put everything that I show you guys, so you guys can check it, and like the website, so you can check it out. And then let me just get a wipes so I can try the other. That's it. Okay guys, so I just removed the lip tint inner lip, and it still has that stain or that, but it doesn't have anything on it, you know, but just leave the stain. So anyway, let's try the other shade, which is the Glimpse Brick Brown. So this is kind of different. So this one is red. The packaging of this one is red, and this one is kind of like I don't know, it's like white. So just try this one, and I will give you guys a swatch. Ooh, kind of mauve. It's giving me, and I have like the worst swatch, but as you guys can see, it's kind of like a mauve color right there. And the smell of this really is good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on my lips. I'm really sorry guys about this lighting, the light, because I'm filming this at night, so just bear with me. So anyway, let me just put this in my lips. Oh my goodness. Okay, I like it. It's giving me that I really like the color. It's mauve, like pinkish, something like that, and it's really easy to apply. And then like I said, it's just the same as the other one. Like the scent of it, it smells so freaking good. And I like it. I like it. And I didn't even need like to put like lip liner on it, and that really looks good on this makeup too, like wow. As I'm looking at the mirror. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove that again, and let's try the other three that's left. And it's easy to remove, actually. It's not hard. It was just give like what should I call it? There you go. Stain in my lips. As you can see, I try to write it down so hard. So okay, for the next two is this it's the same brand, but this is in water gel right there, and they have different packages, which is so cute. Look at that, you guys. Ooh. And this is the shade Cherry Press, and this is the water gel. Yes, it's a tint water gel that stains your lips with vivid fruity color. Okay, so let me give you guys a swatch. Has that duffel applicator, and there you go. She's very red. She's watery, but not to the point where like it's dripping, so that's good. So let me put that in my lips. The smell. It smells so good. Wow. Okay. So where do you put this? Okay. So I'm just gonna. And it tastes like cherry. Do I allow to taste it? Am I allowed to? Oh my god. Now this color is, oh my god, very sexy. Very sexy. I guess. Looks so sexy, huh? I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing, but ooh. Honey. Cute. Okay. Now this, the consistency of this, it's water, but like I said earlier, it's not to the point where it's dripping. And while I'm touching this, let me see if it's a kiss proof. But yeah, there is kind of like stain, but not too much on it. But I like it. It's kind of just like, you can really taste that it's cherry as you apply, and it's not sticky. It's really not sticky at all, so that's good. But yeah, oh my goodness, it's so cute. So anyway, let me just remove that again. Rest in peace, lips. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna, I can't remove it. Wait a minute. Yo. It will not let me. What? There you go. You guys, I'm really trying hard to remove it. It looks so silly to remove this, but oh my god. Yeah. It's not letting me. I mean, it's not really a bad thing at all. I mean, it stays right there, even though we removed them, and now there's nothing on it. Like, even though I clean my hand, my fingers. So this is clean with my hair. See, there's nothing on it, but it just leaves the stain. So I don't know if, I mean, it looks good. It just leaves, like, you know, the stain on it. But anyway, let's get the last, no, not the fourth one. It's in the shade Bit Press. So let's see. Now this is still the same, but as you can see, there, the top of it, this one's kind of orangey. This is the one in Cherry Press that I tried earlier, and then this one is kind of like pinkish, something like that. But let's give you guys a swatch. Oh, she's dark. I'm sorry, wait a minute. I'm the worst swatch ever. Right there. That's the Bit Press. Same thing. Smells really, really good. And I'm gonna put this on top of the Cherry Press. Now this one is tad bit darker than the other one. Is that how you apply lip tint? I don't know. Oh my goodness. You guys. This is everything. This I'm not even kidding. Girl, hands down. But anyway, see, this is the last one is also the same brand, but this is their water tint also, and the shade number 5, strawberry juice. This is just more very watery and just like more on kind of like a natural side. So right there, as you can see all the shade right there. But yeah, that's this is, yeah, and I already tried it, so I'm not gonna try it in my lips because my lips is just like resin beef, like nope. So yeah, overall you guys, I really like the okay, let's talk about the price. Where's my phone? I don't know. Where's my phone? Let me see. My laptop. If I can, I think it's 11. No. Okay, yeah, I think I remember now. This is 14. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna leave it in the description box below the price. But I believe, as I remember, it's $14.99, which is almost like $15. So yeah, for these two. And then what's more interesting about it, because in the back of the packaging it says expired at 2021, so it's gonna expire, what is this year? This is 2018, 19, 20, so it will expire 3 years. But I think once you open it, it doesn't have that little thing in the packaging, and you know it's like a box. Once you open it, that's when you start, I don't know, but you know what I mean. You open the box in the packaging is normally, but see, this will expire at 2021, so that's good. But yeah, my thoughts about this lip tint, the ink one, they're really velvety. You just kind of like put, like, if you want to be dramatic, you can put, you know, a lot. But if you want to be onto kind of like more on like a natural side, and if you want to keep reapplying and reapplying, I recommend you this one right here. This is the tint water. It's just the thing about this, like, you just have to keep reapplying and applying. But I think I will put it earlier in my cheeks. It kind of like lasted for quite a bit for like probably 4 or 5 hours. You know, you still have that, like, kind of like giving you just like that natural, if you want to go in a natural side. Yeah, get this little one right here. It's just still the same brand. You kind of just like put it like in the cheekbone. But yeah, I really like this too, and I think this is 11 something. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description box below so you guys can check it, like the prices and the website. I think they have the Instagram on it, but I'm gonna check it just to make sure so you guys can check it out. But yeah, overall, I really love, oh my goodness, I'm really happy that I found this brand. And I think this is, yeah, I think this is Korean brand. Yeah, I think it's Korean. Yeah, I think it's Korean. So, excuse me. Anyway guys, I don't want to make this video very long, but anyway, overall I really do actually like all the lip tint that I try. I really do like it, and I'm gonna I will be featuring the lip tint probably in my videos. So, because I'm really excited to use it, especially, I mean, all of them. I'm really excited to use just 5 of them, and I'm gonna probably gonna buy more shades. So yeah, but yeah, these are the swatches. This is the 2 velvet. This is the girlish red. The one is glimpse brick brown. This one is cherry press. This one is beet press, and then this one is see, it's faded out. This one is the strawberry juice right here. So yeah, this is it for all, this is it for the video guys, and I really hope you like this video, because I'm gonna film another video again, which is you're gonna see this face again. I know, I'm sorry, but yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You're here already. Might as well just click somewhere in here that subscribe and click the notification bell so you guys will see if I upload video, because I'm really trying my best. You know, I'm really trying my best to upload more videos, and I'm not gonna talk a lot because I know you're gonna be bored with it, like just in the video. Anyway, that's it for you guys, and I really hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up. I already said that earlier, but anyway, I'm really annoying right now. So anyway, goodbye, adios, peace.